Hi guys, this is Tomer from Reliable Garage Door Services again. Today we're replacing two heads, LiftMaster. They're probably about 20 years old. We're gonna replace them to new ones. We also have two 8x7 doors with a broken spring. So we have one broken spring. If you go to your garage and you can't lift it up, or it makes weird noises when it comes up, always look above the door. You can see over here, the spring is broke. The spring is basically what lifts up the door. That's the muscle that makes it easy to lift the door up. You're gonna also replace those cables while we're here. Springs last you for about 15 to 20 years, depends how much you use them. So this door is already broke. So just to prevent of me coming here again, we also gonna replace the spring on the second door. Although it's fine, I'm gonna replace it too, and we're gonna replace the cables as well. Hey guys, we are all set. We replaced two springs, one on each door. Those are the old springs. This is the spring that is broken. Next to it, other spring from the other door, which we decided to replace anyway. Now I want to show you something for you guys to look in your garage so you can determine if someone did a good job or not. I want you to see the cable over here. So I did it here on purpose on this door, and I didn't tie the spring good enough, okay? So there's not enough tension. What does that mean? It means that the cable over here, you see how it's hanging loose, okay? That means that the cable can come off the drum and then the door will drop. Over here, the cable is tight enough. You can see the difference. You can see how straight it is. And if you push it, you can see that it won't go anywhere. That's a very good way to test your garage door. You can go outside and just push it like that, and you can see if it's tight enough or not. Other than that, if your cables are tight and you don't see any wear and tear in them, then your door is all set. So guys, we are all set. Let me show you inside. We have the advanced model LiftMaster with the MyQ option that you're able to control through your phone. We have two brand new units working perfectly. Each one of those units should last for about 10 or 15 years easily. We have two new torsion springs. Also, life expectancy for about 15 years as well. Thank you, sir. This is for you.
Thank you very much. I filled out the form on HomeAdvisor, and within 3 minutes he had called me already to make an appointment to come out and fix my garage door. He arrived the next day on time and did an excellent job at a reasonable price. I would highly recommend him for all of your garage door needs.